maintenance well is essential to keep your company efficient at stealthy wood. We see it as our machinery's healthcare plan healthcare that helps reduce waste. And run an efficient continuous, also maintaining my product handling. System is vital to keep my equipment running at peak efficiency. If not correctly managed, unscheduled downtimes can happen, resulting in production stops and significant emergency repair costs. And nobody wants to waste money dealing compared to this regular maintenance. Costs are next to nothing, and I think most facility managers would agree with me that maintenance matters, and because I want your company to flourish as much as mine, I'll show you how you can schedule your preventive maintenance to avoid high costs and time loss, but also corrective maintenance, even if I hope you'll never have to deal with that. All right, here I am on my database. I'm going to go straight to the maintenance application where I'm going to have a dashboard overview of my maintenance teams, and I'm going to go straight to the equipment menu where I will have access to my work centers. And as a quick reminder, a work center is a place where various tools and machines, and then I can also access those tools and machine by clicking on this menu item as well. So as you see here, I have lots of equipment, so let's go ahead and check out this first Samsung monitor information that I can populate. So I have the equipment category, so I have created to fit my businesses. You have an owner for the item. I even selected a maintenance team, so here it's internal maintenance. All right, I have specific technician who will also work. All right, I can say which location it's used, and I will also see the work center here, and as always, we can add a description if we would like to. On the next tab over, we can also add some product information such as the vendor and the vendor reference, and you'll see that I've added the model in